The 2025 Chevrolet Impala convertible is a perfect blend of style, innovation, and performance, designed for those who seek the ultimate driving experience. With a bold and aerodynamic design, this car stands out with its elegant curves, chrome accents, and striking LED headlights. The convertible top retracts seamlessly, transforming the vehicle into an open-air masterpiece within seconds, allowing drivers to enjoy the thrill of the road with the wind in their hair. Inside, the cabin is crafted with luxury in mind, featuring premium leather seats, soft touch materials, and wood or brushed aluminum accents. Every detail is designed to enhance comfort and sophistication. The spacious interior offers ample legroom for both driver and passengers, making long drives effortless and enjoyable. Advanced ambient lighting creates a refined atmosphere, adjusting to suit different moods and driving conditions. The 2025 Impala convertible is powered by a high-performance engine, delivering exceptional horsepower and torque for a smooth yet exhilarating ride. Whether cruising through city streets or taking on the open highway, the vehicle's adaptive suspension system ensures stability and precision handling. Multiple driving modes allow for a customized experience, from an eco-friendly mode for efficiency to a sport mode for dynamic acceleration. Technology is at the forefront of the Impala's design, with a cutting-edge infotainment system featuring a large touchscreen display, wireless connectivity, and voice recognition. Smartphone integration provides seamless access to apps, navigation, and entertainment, while a premium surround sound system immerses passengers in crystal-clear audio. Wireless charging, multiple USB ports, and smart assistant compatibility make every journey more convenient and connected. Safety is a top priority, with an array of advanced features designed to protect both the driver and passengers. The Impala convertible includes adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. A 360-degree camera system offers a comprehensive view of the surroundings, making parking and maneuvering easier than ever. Reinforced body construction and intelligent airbags provide additional protection, ensuring confidence behind the wheel. One of the standout features of the Impala convertible is its seamless retractable roof. With the push of a button, the roof folds away smoothly, allowing for a luxurious open-air driving experience. Engineered for durability and noise reduction, the soft-top roof provides insulation against harsh weather while enhancing the vehicle's sleek silhouette when closed. Fuel efficiency meets performance in this next-generation convertible. A hybrid-assisted powertrain option optimizes fuel consumption while maintaining the thrilling acceleration expected from a premium vehicle. Regenerative braking technology captures energy to improve overall efficiency, making the Impala convertible a smart choice for modern drivers who value sustainability without compromising on power. For those who seek customization, the Impala convertible offers a range of exterior color options, wheel designs, and interior trim packages. From deep metallic hues to classic monochrome finishes, every owner can personalize their vehicle to match their unique style. Luxury trim options add exclusive design elements, from contrast stitching on the seats to unique badging that signifies the highest level of craftsmanship. The driving experience is further enhanced with intelligent driver assistance technology. A digital head-up display projects key information onto the windshield, ensuring that drivers can stay focused on the road. Augmented reality navigation overlays directions in real time, making every journey effortless. Biometric authentication allows for secure access in personalized settings, adapting everything from seat positions to climate preferences based on the driver's profile. The 2025 Chevrolet Impala convertible is more than just a car, it's a statement of luxury, power, and innovation. Whether it's a scenic drive along the coast, a city adventure, or a long road trip, this convertible promises an unforgettable experience. Designed for those who appreciate excellence, the Impala convertible sets a new standard in automotive craftsmanship, proving that style and performance can coexist seamlessly.